Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
1 to 2 days. Thawing in the refrigerator. Place it on a tray to catch any juices that may leak. A thawed turkey can remain in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 days. If necessary, a turkey that has been properly thawed in the refrigerator may be refrozen.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Many times people can tell if a turkey is spoiled by the texture and smell of the turkey. Haynes said the skin of the turkey may become slimy, and the smell is often described as rotten eggs or like sulfur.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.